Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create beautiful lighting composition with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a simple plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Guys, size I take 3000 centimeter, 3000, yeah, right? And now guys, I apply 3D character model. I show you. So go on here. Guys, that's my 3D character model. This one. And now I show you second one also. Yeah, see. That's my second 3D character model, right? Okay. So guys, go to Cinema 4D and I go to File and Merge. Yeah. And go to here. Guys, select this one and press OK. See. So now guys, rotate this 3D character model, rotate like this and go to back here, yeah, and increase size. Guys, select this scale tool and increase like this, yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, this time I take torus, so decrease torus radius, this time 1, and guys also ring radius decrease, yes, like 100, yeah, right? Okay, so guys, I go to top view panel and go to inmate and increase and closer, yeah, and little bit change like this, yeah, better, and go to down, yes. And now guys, copy this torus, go to here and again last time copy, yes, select this all torus and go to down, yes, select this one, yeah, made one, and this one also, yes, right? Select this 3D character model, go to made, yeah, see guys, that's my simple composition, right? Okay, so select all and group, yes, and select this null object and copy. Guys, go to back like this and copy, yeah, see guys, that's my composition, right? Okay, select this one, closer, and now guys, also apply some object on background. So use cylinder and cylinder radius I take 1 centimeter, height increase like 2000, and guys take cloner and select this cloner, liner is good, and guys this one, y change and amount, that's my position, and increase count like this. So go to background, yeah, and guys rotate this cloner, rotate like this and up, yeah, see guys, that's my background, and guys increase count like this, yes, see guys, right? That's composition is really good. And last one guys, I apply one more 3D character model. So go to file and merge, select this one and OK, yes, and guys select this one, delete, only select, that's my 3D character model, yeah, and rotate like this and make smaller, yeah, and more, yes, right? Okay, so go to back here, yes, and closer, yes, right? Okay, so now guys go to here render setting, and size I take 1000 and height 1000. Yes. And guys, render to use Octane. Yeah. And close and save this project. Guys, go to desktop and save. Yes, right. Okay, so select this cloner and guys, up and increase count. Guys, count increase. Yes, and also increase this cylinder height. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now I apply lighting. So go to Octane and use live viewer window. Select this window, drag and drop on left side and click on here. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I take camera and camera check. Yes, good. And yeah, composition is good. That's my composition. Okay, so now guys, delete all material, delete and create new material. Guys, I take glossy and roughness float 0.1. Yeah, and apply all 3D character model. Guys, apply this one, select and apply. Yes, and this one also. Yeah, better. And now guys, I apply material. Actually, I create material this background. So go to here, new material and go to here animation and black body animation. Guys, use RGB spectrum, this one, and surface brightness check and color. I take red color. Guys, use red color. Yeah, power is good. So apply on cloner background. Yes, better. And now guys, I create material for this ring. So copy this material and guys, take blue color, blue. Yes, and apply this one. Yeah, and top same and top and last one apply. Yeah, okay, so guys, again copy this material and color I take white color, right? That's my white color and apply mid torus, mid one. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, my material is complete. Now I create material for this plane. So create new material and guys, node editor. Guys, I have some texture. I show you. See guys, that's my textures, mountain texture. So select all, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, right. Okay, so apply one by one. That's my normal map. And second one, guys, depth and connect with input. This input connect with displacement map. So level of detail I take full, amount I take 100, right? Okay, select this one. That's my, actually guys, that's my depth, it's my height. So uncheck and select this one. That's my depth, connect with input, yes. And this height connect with bump map. And this one, guys, that's my ambient occlusion, connect with this one. Actually guys, now I change material type, use glossy. Yeah, this one, apply on specular. Yeah, and select this one, diffuse and take dark gray color. Yes, see guys, that's my material. And right click, use auto selection. That's my auto, right? It's really good, right? Okay, so close. And now guys, apply on plane. Yeah, and save. Yes, It's really good. And now guys, little bit change this plane position like this. Yes, and little bit down. Yeah, and camera guys, uncheck and closer. Yes, and little bit up. Yeah, right. Now it's fixed. So close, actually go to camera. Yes, and guys, select this 3D character model. This one, go to on left side, and this one, go on right side. Yes, and camera. Yeah, this composition is good. And go to back. Yes, select this 3D character model, go to closer, and again make smaller. Yes, right. Okay, so select this all 3D character model, and now guys, increase size, increase, yeah, and up. Yes, right, it's really good. Okay, so now guys, I apply light and change background color. So use HDR environment, and this power take 0. Yes, and guys, go to medium and press add fog and click. Guys, density I take 0.07. This one, density 0.07. Yeah, and phase 0.7. Yes, better, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply light. So use Octane area light, and guys, that's my light. Go to on top view panel and rotate this light. Apply on first character, this one, and increase plane, actually light size, like this, right? Okay, so now guys, select this light and click on here, click, and power I take 500%, actually 500. Yes, and visibility uncheck, shadow uncheck. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I take one more light, select this one and copy and apply on here. On guys, that's my left side. Yeah, and take one more light, use this time Octane area light, and that's my right light, right side light. Guys, actually some problem on my mouse. Yes, and up. Yeah, right, and same guys, click on here and power I take 500% and copy this light, copy. Yes, right, see, that's my lighting. And now guys, go to camera. Yes, see guys, it's really beautiful, right? So go to render setting here and use path tracing, and guys, max amp I take 5000 and GI clamp, this one take 1. Yes, so close. Yeah, guys, see, that's my beautiful composition and lighting. Guys, it take little bit time for rendering, right? Okay, so guys, you can change also fog color. So go to here and medium, and guys, click on here and use RGB spectrum, this one. Yeah, and color you can take anyone like blue. Yes, yeah, and go to back. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys, my final composition is finished and lighting. Now I go to this one, camera setting, post processing check, and bloom power I take like 20. Yes, better, like 30. Right, I take 30 and go to camera imager, enable, and guys, response I change this one, take like this. Yes, much better. See guys, I also like this one, and gamma little bit increase. Yeah, that's really good. And saturation to white 0.1. Yes, and guys, you can change more. No, I don't like this. Yeah, and change not this. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. Right. Okay, so guys, all is good. Go to, yes, like 20, actually 30. 30 is good. And guys, glare power I take like 1. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, my final camera setting is finished. Yes, and one more time, guys, you can change also depth like 10 and 10. Yeah, that's it guys. Right, so I show you my final output like this. See guys, that's my final output, this one and this one. Right, okay, so guys, stop this rendering and go to here. Yeah, Octane, and guys, use all GPU check and save this project, save and render. So increase size. Guys, I also take some color correction, filter, saturation I take 20 and brightness like 2. So guys, that's it. Okay, so little bit change guys, this one, white power, so close, white one half like 50. Yes, and again render. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file and material from my website. Thank you.